you guys, I'm Paige.
And I'm Tiffany.
And today we're going to do an unboxing or an unveiling of our Splash Mountain Disney Parks Wishables. How cute they are. So a while back, we actually did an unboxing of our Wishables, and we kind of predicted what we were getting just by feeling the bag based off of the characters. And, I mean, we were pretty...
Well, we thought we were going to get foxes at the time. Foxes and possums.
That is true. But we did get 2 possums.
We got 2 possums and 3 bears. So...
Which we didn't want a triplicate of something, and that's exactly what we got. So...
we decided to go back again and try to see if we could feel out the bags and get the remaining characters that we wanted, which is Brer Frog and Brer Fox. So we felt about 30 bags, would you say?
At least.
At least. Trying to find the ones that we wanted because we wanted to make sure. So we were feeling for a nose for the fox and also like a foxtail. And then on the frog, we were feeling for, of course, the hat and just no nose. Because if you look, I don't know if you can really tell here, but he doesn't really have like a 3-dimensional nose like the other characters.
Yeah, it just kind of looks like it might just be fabric. But then he has like toes that are spread apart. So we were trying to see if we could feel the toes.
I feel like we did though.
I feel like we could, but we could totally be 100% off. So I don't know, but... I'm very curious to see what we did get.
Make sure to subscribe.
Yes.
Because there will be a giveaway once we hit 200 subscribers, and we plan on doing a lot of fun Disney videos. So if you like this one, you'll probably like the rest of them that we're going to do. So we're just happy to do this.
And we may have earned some of you guys subscribing from our last one of these. The last time we did a Unwishable unveiling. So
Unwishable?
I don't know why I want to call them unwishables. It's like...
You don't want them?
That's the most negative sounding. It's an unwishable. Your wish is not going to come true. If we don't get our Brer Frogs and our Brer Foxes, I'm calling them unwishables. Because we thought we had this pretty down to what we predict that we have. Okay, so we have separated...
into piles.
Into 2 piles, yes.
I'm going to open what we predict are going to be foxes. And she is going to open what we predict are, well, Brer Frog.
Yes. Now, we could completely be wrong.
We could be.
But
hopefully we're not.
But hopefully we're not. We did a lot of feeling around. We literally look like mad women in the store. Like.
For sure.
Okay, this pile we've gone through. Okay, because we could feel at least on Poppy Possum, her little bow. So if you could feel that in a skinny tail, chances are it was Poppy Possum. But, I mean, their legs, you have to try and find their nose and their legs, and it's this... It's hard.
I want to open it.
Okay, open it.
I want to know.
Okay, I know, I'm anxious.
Okay.
Oh, please.
Here's the first one. Please be a fox. Please be a fox.
Oh,
it's a fox! Oh my god, we were right!
Yay. Okay, cool. Okay, his nose protrudes out so much more than, like, this one. Oh, yeah.
Full 360. See the tail?
Yeah, like he felt large in the bag. Like, compared, I mean, his legs are just like way wider, I guess. Like, he just feels larger. We're showing too many things. I think I'm mixing up your video. Oh my god, yay. I'm so glad you got that.
Me too. He's adorable.
Okay. Now watch, she's the only fox we get, and we get like 1,000, not 1,000, but like a bunch of other possums.
Don't say that.
Okay. At one point, I'm not gonna lie, in the store, I was like, let's just buy it because...
Just at random again?
Just at random because we did the most that we could do with our predictions. So the reason why I think this is a frog is because I can feel like a large brimmed hat, but they all have, I mean, all but Poppy Possum has a hat, but there's no nose. I don't feel a nose at all. And I don't feel a tail like Poppy Possum. So here, I'll let you see what's in it first.
I want to see.
Oh no. Oh, it isn't! Yay! I was like, I cheated. I looked at your reaction. Okay, yeah. Because he has no nose. He's so cute. Oh, at least now we have one full set if all of our other predictions were wrong. But yeah, you could totally feel like his toes almost too. Like they didn't feel like solid little round feet. Oh, he's so cute.
He's adorable.
Okay, I'm so glad we got this. I hope we got more.
Happy.
Okay.
Okay. On to the next one. Maybe this one I'll show you guys first. Or do you want to see first?
Uh-huh.
You're faking it.
Yay!
Well, I just showed it to you guys a minute ago, so obviously.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we each have a Brer Fox.
Yes.
And Poppy Possum and Brer Bear. So, okay. I want to just like rip the band-aid off. Just, well, except it won't rip. Here we go. Okay, alrighty. We got another frog.
We're getting good at this.
We are getting good at this. Okay. Oh my god, it's so soft. What a cutie pie. Wait, is his face supposed to look... Oh, no. I think it's just the fabric. He looked like it had a weird pattern on his nose, but he's super cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. Okay. So, we got pretty good at this. Like,
we did.
If for some reason you're feeling around for these and you want a frog, make sure it doesn't have a nose and a giant hat on. Because this one does, like, his hat is much larger than the fox is. Like, it's huge.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So, but I mean, Brer Bear also has a large hat, but it's not as, like, this one's ginormous. He's got a big old hat.
He does.
But, oh my gosh, where are my other ones? Oh,
They're so precious.
Look at the full set. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. I love these. I love Splash Mountain and all the cute animals. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. And we have a bunch of other videos on here related to Disney. So if you guys are Disney nerds like us, I think you'll enjoy it.
All right. Well, thank you for watching, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye.